I'm here with Dave Henry from Pentaho. Dave, how you doing?
I'm doing well. Hi, Mike. Nice
Hi.
to meet you.
So, how is this conversation and how have things been going for you here at the conference this year?
Yeah, it's been a really interesting conference. It's been the third year I've been here, and obviously more people each year. The focus has changed, and I think what people are more interested in these days is in getting information out of these big data environments, where they put them, getting value out of them.
Okay, so those are the conversations you're having here. Are you picking up on any themes that are going around the conference this year?
I think people are really excited about the number of vendors that are offering SQL interfaces on top of Hadoop. So we've had obviously announcements from Clara and Hortonworks, other vendors like Greenplum. So as a BI vendor, which is what Pentaho is, we're excited to see a lot of the new alternatives because those are going to allow us to make our products work better.
So as a BI, so can you explain a little bit about more what you guys do?
Yeah, so Pentaho takes the information that's in a big data store and takes it all the way out to the end user, all the way out to the screen. So obviously things like visualization, charts, what we call multidimensional analysis, primarily summarized business information that's partially out of Hadoop and partially out of maybe a company's data warehouse.
So who uses your products?
We have a large number of customers, primarily in digital media, but also in telecommunications, healthcare. In fact, tomorrow I'm going to be doing a talk with one of our customers, NetApp, and they're going to talk about the solution they built on top of Hadoop and Pentaho.
And where are you guys going to take this in the future?
You know, I think it's all about democratization and making Hadoop and big data in general much more easier for folks. So that's really our mission. Ease of use, big data, and predictive analytics are our big three themes for this year.
Okay, so my last question for you is kind of a zinger here.
Yep.
So if there's a problem in the world to solve and data can solve that, what problem would you attack?
I think it's efficiency. I think that it's a crowded planet, right? And I think that by taking the data, we're gathering tremendous data about people, processes, everything that's going on around us. If we could use that to make more optimal use of resources, that would be good. Probably one of the biggest uses of predictives is just the optimization process.
Well, David, hope to see you in New York.
All right. Great. Thank you, Mike.